Greetings viewers, your friendly neighborhood Eric the Car Guy here with an unboxing video of the radio from RetroSound that I'll be installing in my dad's truck, which is a GMT 400. Never been happy with the radio that's in there. It's a little weird, the buttons are a little strange, plus it's got this graphic equalizer thing that's off to the side, and I think somebody put a CD changer in there. Anyway, let's get to this unboxing of what I'm going to be installing in its place. Here's everything I got from RetroSound. Two pairs of speakers. I believe this is the head unit and these are auxiliary components. I'm not sure, I haven't opened it up yet. It is an unboxing video after all. I found it interesting that the speakers that I got for the dash and the pillar are the exact same part number. So they have them listed as dash speakers and pillar speakers as if they're two different things, but obviously with this, they are not. Let's start with these boxes since they seem like they'd have interesting things inside. Built-in Bluetooth for hands-free calling and audio streaming. Plays Mp3 and Wma files via USB input. Selectable dual color LCD illumination. AM/FM tuner with 30 selectable USA, EU, Japan tuner frequencies. Built-in amplifier, 25 watts, 45 watts peak times 4 channels. 2 sets of RCA low-level outputs. This is the Santa Cruz version. There's another version. I'll link this down in the description so you can check it out. All right, first opening the box, we've got, cool, a harness connection. Looks like for 88 to 94 vehicles for Newport. I'm not sure what that means, but I'm encouraged to see this. This will make installation a bit easier. Here it looks like an antenna lead. Instructions for all this stuff, and the head unit. I have one of these units, or not this exact unit. I have a RetroSound in my Ford. It took a little bit of time to get used to the controls, but once I did, it seemed to work out well. Simplicity as opposed to what's in the truck now. What's in the truck now is buttons and everything everywhere. This one seems simple. I don't think this will take away from the look of the interior at all. It doesn't look like there's anything else in that box. More stuff. This looks like maybe an amplifier. Got some, read these instructions, user manual. Check it out, it's an Infamount shaft bracket assembly. Whoa, that's high tech. Yeah, this looks like some sort of amplifier. I guess there wasn't enough space in the head unit, so this is going to be remotely mounted somewhere, but it has a lot of different connections here. It looks like we've got a USB connection there. This looks like it's probably for the antenna. Here's a line out for the rear, line out for the front, auxiliary 1 input, auxiliary 2 input. So this looks like where you'll be hooking everything up to. A couple more goodies in the box. Hands-free mic, more stuff. Yeah, some giant fuse that's in here. This just looks like where things hook up and connect. And more harnesses. Look like 2 separate harnesses, but they have labels on both to tell you where things go. So these would wire into the vehicle. Some washers, or I'm not sure what these are. Like some kind of spacer or something. Not sure what these are for. I'm sure the instructions would tell me. And then I don't think I need to pull this out because I kind of want to keep the stuff together. Some basic hardware for installation, I'm assuming. And lastly, another bracket. Looks like another mounting bracket or pair of mounting brackets. I'm going to say that this is most likely for this since this has 4 screw holes in here. Looks like it goes onto here. And that is everything in this box. Given the speaker boxes are the same, I think we just need to do one, but what do we have? Coaxial speakers pair, but they're ultra thin. Ultra means a lot, so it's a lot thin. All right, cool. We get speaker wire. Wow, these are little, so little. And ultra thin. Look how thin that is. It went on a massive diet. No carbs for this speaker and a speaker grill, which I find interesting. I guess this is just for general applications, but you know, so if you were gonna mount this someplace in anything, whereas I'm hoping this will go right into the speaker holes that I have existing in the truck. Got some hardware. Some screws and some clips. Some pads, I guess. Anti-vibration material, maybe. Like if something rattles, maybe what this is for is what this kind of feels like. We've got 2 sets of speaker wires. Actually, it looks like I opened this wrong. Sorry. That's how it's supposed to be unboxed. I failed you in my unboxing. So they were supposed to be side by side like this. And this is, well, it's identical to what I just removed. Although I didn't show you last time the back side of the speaker, which has all that information on it. So all of your connections. Also in this speaker box, a spec sheet and warranty card. The unboxing of the Santa Cruz radio from Retro Manufacturing, RetroSound. I will put links in the description to everything so you can check this stuff out for yourself. Once again, this is going in a GMT 400, which ran from 1988 to 1998, but somewhere in there I think I saw it to 94, so make sure you check your fitment before you get started. I'm looking forward to installing this. I will make a video. I'll put links in the description to this along with additional information, so check there if you have questions about anything in this video. If you have automotive questions, I ask that you head to EricTheCarGuy.com. Can you say that, Eric? That'll be linked in the description as well. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, watch the videos, do those things that help make a living. Really appreciate that. Be safe, have fun, stay dirty, and I'll see you next time. If you like these unboxing videos, let me know in the comments. I'll make more of them. Polypropylene cone and durable Santopene, I don't know what it is. Sound, powerful neolydium magnetic ultra whatever words I can't say. I don't know how to read like German or French or any of these other languages. Sorry.
Or English for that.
Or English. I can't read English either.